You have been transported back in time to 1963 and are now visiting for a short time. Welcome and enjoy. Please keep in mind you cannot stay here very long, so please savor every moment as we continue on our tour. Things are not the same as they once were here in 1963. Coffee percolators hummed every morning, Tupperware parties were the place to be, and every casserole seemed to come topped with Campbell's soup. Phones? They had cords, and if you were fancy, a rotary dial. No texting. If you wanted to send a message, you mailed it. On paper. With stamps. Cars had chrome for days. Gas was 30 cents a gallon. And seat belt? Optional. Though so was surviving a crash. In 2025, your houses talk to you, your fridges text you, and your TVs have more channels than we'll ever watch. But some things from 1963 never go out of style. I think I will stay here for a bit. Will you join me or go back to 2025? Please leave me a comment and let me know.